Defining autopilot energies from innumerable forces. When you start trying to describe these autopilot structures of energies capable of flourishing the earth, first of all you need to define all those spheres. The practical feasibility of the structure. Is it giant or small? Is it work for long time frames? Any structure is an individual laboratory where forces are arranged inside, keeping a balance with the environment outside. I have already told you that polarities is the key. Arranging these temperature, pressure, gravity polarities in the easiest balance to the environment, and the resultant force must rotate the levers of dynamo. See, small energies adding on to get the large bulk is the best option. People with greater intelligence can add on. This is only basic structure. Let's focus on gravity polarities. Think about other energies and forces and structures that make this type of autopilots beneficial to humans. Gravity free fall is always acceleration every second. The infinite forces it creates, to an object with mass, is the force here. For the somewhat circular structure to run in an autopilot, the pressure or temperature polarities are necessary. For shifting those mass to a certain height, some kind of polarities are necessary. This has to be arranged to work by self-generation of energy. This is already a set reality of the Earth. Setting the air pressure flows and temperature flows, this becomes possible. Dealing with gravitational force, when object falls from much height, the mass like graphite can be used for catching less fire. This mass from huge heights must rotate the dynamo plugs. The shafts must be rotated by adding on to the forces of minute flaps arranged on the free fall structure. Otherwise a chance of breakability is there. The adding on force is actually the force of any matter, liquid, gas or plasma. In human bodies what sustain these polarities is mineral salts, and during the movement of the oxygen, the simple structures get charged. The lack of reward pressures forcing the polarities to act accordingly, is what happens there. In spring bounce energy system, the bounce of magnetic mass, repulsive forces create those rotations. The nature of different gases, how it add on to cyclic stabilized system is so far unknown. If it is known, surface will derive energies based on movement. It's completely magnetic based. See, if human structures will act in autopilot in the set environment, how much better those structures will work out. When people say this won't work out, tell them to think how the environment works in balance, without human effort. Actually, humans are destroying the balance.